Hello everyone and welcome back to For Techna. Today I'm going to show you guys how to download a photo from Instagram. So the first step is pretty obvious. Locate the photo that you want to download from Instagram. Right here I have my photo, and the next step is that you want to go and look on the top right corner and you'll find 3 tiny dots. Press on those tiny dots and then you get the options to press copy link. Once you have the link copied, go to Safari or your browser and navigate to this website. I'll link 2 different websites below just in case this website does not work. And once you are on this website, paste the link that you just copied and press download photo. Okay, once you press download photo, scroll down, you'll see the photo that you want to download, and you see another option that says download photo. Make sure to press this one right here. Okay, it takes you to another screen with just the photo only. Now this is the easy part. All you have to do is hold down on the photo and press save image. Once you hit save image, it goes straight to your photos or your photo app. So go to the photo app, go to your camera roll, and there it is. Alright guys, I hope you guys benefited from this video. Go check out the 2 different ways to download a photo from Instagram. This is just one of them. The other one just uses the other link. And if you guys ever have issues, let me know on the comments below. I'm sure there's someone that's willing to help out. Thank you guys so much. Hit the like, subscribe button, comment if this was beneficial to you. Peace.